What's up? It's Buttershy. We're gonna put Oreos on humidifiers and see what it looks like in fast motion. Are you ready? Let's go. We've done that. We're just gonna see what the Oreos like with the pocket knife. So, yes. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Your little Oreo snack. It's probably really disgusting, though. No, it's okay. I'll eat it if you want. You want me to eat it? Okay, I'll eat it. This is just for you, people. Alright, so I'm eating this Oreo sandwich thing for you guys. Really don't want to do this. I will take a bite. And then barf. Here we go, you ready? Oh my gosh. No human should taste that. No, don't. Okay, that's just. Oh. Well, thanks for watching. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please subscribe to Buttershy, and please like this video and comment and all that crap. So, thanks, guys. Alright, bye.